Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do common dock maintenance on your Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 robot vacuum cleaner and mop. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So the first thing we can do is change the vacuum bag. You just pull up and remove the top, and you can take your old vacuum bag, pull it up and out of the way, and while it's removed, you can check in here for any debris that has started to accumulate, and if you have it unplugged from the wall, you could always just tip it upside down, grab some compressed air, and clean out. Also want to visually inspect this channel here for any debris that might be caught there. And we have a sensor on the side, letting it know when the vacuum bag is installed or removed, so make sure there's no obstructions, hair, clumps, or anything blocking that sensor so it can work properly. Then take your new vacuum bag, line it up, and then just press it right back in place. And you can look at the inside seal here and wipe that down as needed on the cover, and then you just gently put it back on. Making our way further down the station, we can check for our LED light here and make sure that it's not blocked. We can wipe that down. Same with this sensor here, and you can clean the charging contacts if needed and make sure that they're still working properly. And down at the bottom here, we have two channels for the self-empty, so visually inspect those and make sure that they are free from obstructions, and you can wipe down the rest of the station as needed. Looking underneath, this is a really key design for our D10 Plus Gen 2. It's a removable cover here that's also see-through, so we can visually inspect it for any tangles or debris. You can see my finger in there very easily, and it's just held on by a couple Phillips head screws, so there's nothing proprietary. Very easy to remove this and clean this channel if you ever have any obstructions, or if you're just in that deep cleaning mood, you can pop this cover off and give it a nice clean. And then lastly, looking at the back side here, there's really nothing else left to it that you'd ever have to do back here. Obviously, just make sure that your power button's still working and functioning properly and free from any obstructions.